Hey everyone. Today I'm bringing Meta's two AI research efforts closer together to support our long-term goals of building general intelligence, open sourcing it responsibly, and making it available and useful to everyone in all of our daily lives.
Curiosity about Meta's next big move is reaching a fever pitch. The CEO of Meta, Mark Zuckerberg, said Meta is bringing together its two AI research efforts, which are FAIR and GenAI, to support its newest model, LLaMA 3, Large Language Model Meta AI. Zuckerberg said the company is building a massive infrastructure, including 350K H100 GPUs and graphic processing units by the end of the year 2024. The company will have around 600,000 total GPUs by the end of the year, he said. The CEO said it's becoming clearer that the next generation of AI requires building full general intelligence. That will include AI assistants for creators, AI for businesses, and the list goes on. However, AI needs advancements in different components like reasoning, coding, etc. The Verge has reported that AGI, or Artificial General Intelligence, which Zuckerberg is promising, has goals of creating AI that can problem solve and rationalize on the same level as humans. This is so promising for the people out there. Zuckerberg also quotes that they are working responsibly and safely in advancing AI's abilities, from reasoning to planning to code to memory and other cognitive abilities, which are said to be the components of artificial general intelligence. This technology is so important, and the opportunities are so great that we should open source and make it as widely available as we responsibly can, so that everyone can benefit, he said. Zuckerberg's statement is packed with optimism. He added that glasses will be the way to interact with AGI. That is, AI-powered glasses will be the connecting link between the model and the user. Do you want to know more about LLaMA 3, the newest AI model of Meta? With the release of GPT from OpenAI, many companies entered the race to create robust, generative large language models of their own. Creating a generative AI from scratch is a pretty tiring process, as it requires research and development in the fields of AGI, followed by numerous trials and errors. Another interesting aspect is its dependence on the data they are trained on. This makes it important to create a high-quality dataset. It is of prime importance since the model's effectiveness is largely dependent on the data. Meta has joined this race with the introduction of LLaMA, following OpenAI and Google. Meta announced LLaMA in February of 2023. LLaMA is a generative AI model, specifically a group of foundational large language models developed by Meta AI, a company owned by Meta. Meta released LLaMA in different sizes: 7B, 13B, 33B, and 65 billion parameters with a context length of 2K tokens. The model aims to help researchers advance their knowledge in the field of artificial intelligence. In addition, small 7B models allow researchers with low computation power to study these models. With the introduction of LLaMA, Meta has entered the LLM space and is now competing with OpenAI's GPT and Google's Palm models to be the most effective. One thing that makes Meta AI's LLaMA different from OpenAI and Google's LLM is that the LLaMA model family is completely open source. This means it's free for anyone to use. Anybody could have an incredibly capable large language model that they can use on consumer-grade hardware. And it even released the LLaMA weights for researchers for non-commercial uses. LLaMA 2 surpasses the previous version, LLaMA version 1, which Meta released in July of 2023. It came out in three sizes, namely 7B, 13B, and 70B parameter models. LLaMA 2 was trained on 2 trillion pre-trained tokens. The context length for all the LLaMA 2 models is 4K, 2 times LLaMA 1. Now the wait starts for LLaMA 3. As per Mark Zuckerberg's statement, the bold answer should be yes. In the Lex Fridman podcast a few months ago, Mark Zuckerberg dropped a hint about the development of LLaMA 3, but the video of Zuckerberg that was released a few days ago is given a conclusive report directly from Mark Zuckerberg. The journey of Meta from metaverse to open source AI world is nothing but incredible. One statistic that quotes this statement is the installment of 35,000 H100 GPUs, where each one will cost $3,000. To light the fire, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman gave hints about GPT-5 in an interview. Funny enough, The interview was recorded using Meta Ray-Ban glasses. GPT is a family of AI models built by OpenAI, headed by Sam Altman. It stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, which typically translates to what the AI models do or aim to do. There are 4 generations of GPT so far, with the latest version being GPT-4. People across the globe also use GPT-3. The GPT models are designed to generate human-like text in response to a prompt. The prompt can be text or an image. Earlier, it was only text. They can answer questions, write blogs, correct grammar, brainstorm ideas, and whatnot. It literally replaces humans' creativity. As I mentioned, GPT-4 was the latest generation of GPT developed by OpenAI. GPT-4 can handle more complex tasks than previous GPT models, especially GPT-3. There was a lot of criticism regarding GPT-3 and its effectiveness. The GPT-4 model exhibits human-level performance on many professional and academic benchmarks. GPT-4 was the first of its kind to translate an image into a text. Now, if we talk about GPT-5, Sam Altman said that OpenAI's next-generation large language model, GPT-5, will have better reasoning capabilities, improved accuracy, and video support compared to the previous models. OpenAI started training GPT-5 last year. Like any other large artificial intelligence labs, including OpenAI, they have artificial general intelligence, AGI, as their ultimate goal, creating a form of superintelligence that is smarter and much more capable than humans. Sam Altman confirms that something big is cooking up in GPT-5. The interview clearly points out the focus of OpenAI and Sam Altman on general intelligence. OpenAI is now emphasizing the overall capability of the model. OpenAI was always in the path of improvisation. We've clearly seen it in the transition of GPT-3 to GPT-4. GPT-4 accurately solved problems, did complex problems, etc., better than GPT-3. From what Altman is saying, there is no doubt that GPT-5 will be nothing less than GPT-4. One significant difference between LLaMA 3 and GPT-5 will be the mode of operation. As per Zuckerberg, the AGI will be working via a medium of glass. In contrast, Altman and OpenAI are working on a method of operation which is a bit more intimate. He said, "It will be more of working inside a chat or AI experience." This basically means you can simply talk and make it work, whether it is sending a mail or checking the important mail that you received. There is a high chance or near possibility that we will see people finding their working flow inside a language model. That is so promising. There were rumours regarding OpenAI planning to use synthetic data to train the models. Now, what is synthetic data, you may ask? Synthetic data basically means data generated by an AI model in contrast to text or data generated by humans. This opens up a wide possibility of existing models producing synthetic data to train the up-and-coming models. There are no official reports that say OpenAI is using synthetic data, but they can and they may. This can immensely contribute to the effectiveness of the model, since the data on which the model is trained will be a parameter to measure its ability. Elon Musk once said, "Artificial intelligence is far more dangerous than nukes." It is clearly turning out to be the truth. Now, it's the stakeholders' duty to build a safer environment for its users. The boon of AI is the easiness it brings to the table of labour force, etc. should not be jeopardised by the bane of deepfake, etc. This is a global issue that needs global action and adaptations, and it is the high time for the same. Let's hope 2024 will be a great year for AI and its related fields. That's all for today. Do like and comment your thoughts in the comments section.